I can't hear a word you're saying if you ain't got no positive vibes. They wonder how I do what I'm doing. I always keep a positive mind. Take a deep look at yourself, cause you never know what you gon' find. Sometimes I get ahead of myself, cause I got a lot of things on my mind. Everything is gonna be okay, even if it's been a long day. Been learning my rights from the wrong, destroying illusions, I watch them dissolve. If I can't evolve, then I won't get involved. I should've been thinking like this all along.